attended Passionpreneur Summit some 1 year back, and at that point I thought that I am the passionpreneur. But when I attended this summit, I found that I will not be more than 10% of what other people are doing there. So when I met Dev, it was there that I found that as I was running this school, in fact, it was not as much as I should have gone crossing my limits to be the passionpreneur that he's talking about. So this summit is really exceptional, excellent, and that when you think that you are a passionpreneur and you have achieved so much, and when you go there you find that no, you are stuck in 10 to 15% of what is expected of you. So Dev himself is doing so many things, and that it is really worth taking the effort to go there and learn so many new things out there and be the person that you really want to be.